One power outage can get expensive really fast when you start thinking about everything in your house that depends on electricity. And that's where the Anker SOLIX S2000 comes in. This is a 2 kilowatt hour portable power station. It's built for home backup and it can keep a compatible refrigerator running for up to 35 hours with Anker's OptiSave technology. That's actually up to 20% longer than standard 2 kilowatt hour power stations. Anker thought of everything. Now this has 1500 watts of continuous output and 3000 watts peak, so it can actually power about 99% of your home essentials. So think about refrigerators, freezers, microwaves, coffee makers, hair dryers, Wi-Fi, lights, laptops, and other things that you don't want to lose during a power outage. And for a 2 kilowatt power station, this thing is surprisingly light. It has built-in handles, outlets on the front and on the back, and it weighs less than 36 pounds. Now on the inside, you've got next generation LFP cells. They're rated for up to 10,000 charge cycles and a 15-year lifespan, so you're not buying something designed to be replaced every few years. Now there's also 6 ways to recharge it, and if you're using AC and solar power together, then you can recharge it to 80% in as little as 1 hour. Now you can monitor everything through the Anker app, including preparing it for severe weather, and the built-in UPS switches over in less than 10 milliseconds, and that's going to protect things like your CPAP machines, computers, aquarium equipment, because we know that stuff should never lose power. Now, Anker doesn't put these on sale very often, but they are running a discount for just a short time. So if you want something at home that can keep your essentials running when the power goes out, I'll put a link on the video so you can check it out.